Here are the 6 powerful ChatGPT prompts that you are not using. I learned most of them just recently and have been utilizing in my business to make more money. Let's get right into it. I remember this one time I wrote an email and I thought it was a banger and looked super professional. After I clicked send and read it, I just realized it looked like the messages that I sent to one of my buddies on WhatsApp. Here ChatGPT comes into play and it makes it way more professional so you can avoid these mistakes. I copied this email and it doesn't look so bad, but it doesn't look so professional either. So I'm gonna come here and I will say I am going to write an email and I want you to make it more professional, and we have to put the quotation marks. Bam. All right, now it is going to change it. Dear Sir, Madam, I'm writing to express my concerns regarding to the recent results provided by your team members. Unfortunately, I must say I was disappointed with the outcome as we approach the next reporting period. I would like to, as you can see, it made it way better. I would appreciate if you could provide me with some guidance on how we can ensure better results going forward. I'm confident that with your help, we can achieve our objectives and meet expectation of our stakeholders. This is way better. So bam, copy this. I'm gonna send this email instead of that. Look at this bad boy. You can even tell it to put more advanced words so you can sound more intelligent. This gets us to our second prompt. Trying to analyze every single business you're trying to message or email is painfully long. This is where we put the URL of the website that we want to message and make it scan and give us possible improvements that we can make. The important point is we have to tell it to act as a professional in our area we want to improve. Otherwise, it will give us a general answer. Let's give an example. This is my website, Jim's Digital Marketing, and I'm gonna put it in here. Could be more explicit what the course entails. Compelling headline, and it is somewhat generic, as you can see. Visual imagery, that's not that good. Social proof. So rather than me going in here and looking at all the things that I can improve, let's say I'm doing cold outreach for businesses to work with me, it is going to be really hard for me to analyze every single business. So a clear analysis of this website will take me 30 minutes at least if I have to do it manually. What I would do is I literally copy and paste this and send this as an email to a prospect. That way you can do this by saving a ton of time. This ties us to our third prompt. If you want to get professional advice instead of general advice, you want to tell this prompt to ChatGPT. So this is the prompt that we want to write. I want you to act like a professional manager that worked in the niche space for 15 years. But here, we don't want to write niche space. We're going to write, I want you to, so let's say stop generating. I want you to, let's paste this, act like a, so you're going to write in profession manager. What is this profession manager? If you're in SEO, for instance, you have to write that, right? Or landing page optimization. Act like a landing page optimization expert. I worked in the space for 15 years. They are going to give us better, more defined answers. ChatGPT, as you can see, changed this. The headline is the most compelling and more attention-grabbing driven headline value proposition. So as you can see here, the first one that they gave us, we didn't have the value prop here. Compelling headline, it was more general. But in the last one, value prop, it is more specific. We want to ask them as a more specific and expert in the area to get more expert advice. Speaking of experts, you can get expert advice on your business or a business that you're about to close. An expert advice on a specific problem that you are facing. Write the specific problem and tell it to act like a business advisor. And also ask some free websites that you can use to solve this specific problem. If this is your business that you want to try to solve a problem for, this is going to save you a ton of time and money. But if this is a problem that your prospect that you're about to close is facing, you can actually create some strategies to solve that problem. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. In this case, let's say our problem is this. We can't generate great leads on Facebook ads for the last 3 months. We have been targeting business owners and entrepreneurs. We are utilizing single images and video creatives, and our CPA, which is cost per acquisition, is about $50. What we can do to overcome this issue and lower our CPA, answer this as a business and marketing advisor. So this part is critical, guys. And give me technical and strategical advice. So let's say we're prospecting and this is our question. As a business and marketing advisor, there are some few potential areas that could be causing this. Review your targeting. All right. It is possible your targeting may not be reaching the right audience. Consider reevaluating the targeting parameters. So we can refine this as well. Optimize your ad creative. So as you can see, include different calls to action, different creatives, test and measure, refine your ad copy. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna improve your landing page. This is a great point that we haven't considered different ad formats. All right, now we want to stop generating and I want them to give me different targeting options. I want you to give me different targeting options. Certainly, here are some different targeting options. Job title, that's a good idea. CEO, founder, entrepreneur. We haven't used this, but small business owner didn't work. Business interest, business related topic such as business management or finance. That's a good idea. Lookalike audiences, that's a good idea. Let's say we're facing this problem. Create a lookalike based on your existing customers or website visitors or social media followers. Industry, target users who work in specific industries. So we have to find our industry. And business size, target business users who work small businesses with specific number of employees. Online behaviors, small business related contents such as visiting small business social media accounts. All right, target in specific geographic areas, keep in mind, and so on and so forth. We all can also write, give me specific creative ideas. I want to use single images. My offer is 1 month of free consultation. So it is going to describe us some images. Here's some creative ideas to use. Use before and after. Show an image to highlight the transformation or improvement of your consultation services. This is a really great one. We haven't thought of it, for instance. Show happy business owners. That's a good idea. Use text overlay. Use text overlay to communicate the benefits. Showcase your expertise. How we can do this is questionable. Feature your unique selling proposition. That's good. Use humor. Consider using humorous image that grabs attention to target audience. For example, cartoon image of a small business owner struggling to manage their business with a text overlay, 1 month of free consultation. That's great. So we can take these and roll with these right away. Let's go to our next prompt. If you're thinking blog posts are dead, you are mistaken. If you look at Google's first page, you will see tons of blog posts. They're actually making tons of money by utilizing affiliate marketing. They're usually ranking to different pages and they are getting a big cut of the sales. This is an opportunity for us. It's hard to come up with keywords and blog post ideas when we're sitting down and thinking about it. This is where our good old friend ChatGPT will come into play and help us. So the first thing we want to do is use and copy and paste this prompt. The prompt is, I have a niche website that does give information on niche topic. What are some blog content ideas that target popular niche keyword? So you have to replace this niche website with digital marketing website. For instance, in my case, let's give information on Facebook ads. What are some blog content ideas that target popular Facebook ad keyword? 5 effective Facebook ad strategy for small business owners. How to optimize your Facebook ads targeting for better ROI. A beginner's guide to creating a Facebook ads that convert. Top mistakes to avoid when running Facebook ads. As you can see, our main keyword is Facebook ads to rank on SEO. Facebook ads, so they gave us all Facebook ads, including headline or ideas. Now what we want to do, we want to create some blog posts actually from ChatGPT. Let's get into it. Now that this prompt is really important, I want you to write a blog post for this headline, but focus on the keyword XYZ. In this case, the XYZ will be Facebook ads. I want to rank for on Google. Write one for the first headline. Now it is going to create a blog post for us, but usually, more often than not, it is going to give us a short blog post. So what we want to do, once it writes the whole thing, we want to create a new prompt. The new prompt will make it a little bit longer. And the third prompt is actually more important. And first, let's write the second prompt. Can you make it a little bit longer? All right, so this is quite short, a bit longer. All right, now it is going to make the longer version of this post. While it is writing, the most important thing that you have to make sure is switching up the words. We're going to give a prompt to switch up so the Google algorithm doesn't detect that our content is written by AI. If I take this, copy and paste on a WordPress site right away, Google AI will understand that it is written by AI and will not rank us. This is really critical. Prompt that I'm going to write right now, it is going to make it undetectable by Google AI. It is quite long now, and this is not even ChatGPT 4. So we're getting a lot for free. So this prompt is really important. Please switch up the words a bit so it is It is not detectable. It is not detectable. Google AI. Google that is written by AI. Sure, here's a revised version. Are getting the revised version, which is not going to writing our blog post, but the blog posts are going to include some images. What can we do to create new images? So we can actually make ChatGPT describe the images in alt texts under the blog post, so we can actually come up with them by ChatGPT. Describe images that I should use, give me up to 5, and all texts for each of for this blog, by the way. Sure, here are some blog posts. A person holding a smartphone and smiling. So I am just getting this generating, so it will give us 5 different ones. So I'm going to DALL-E. DALL-E is built by OpenAI, which is the owners of ChatGPT as well. So I put this prompt, the prompt given by ChatGPT, and it is going to give us the results that we want. So we can literally screenshot this, put it on our blog post or on our website, and then put the alt text. Let's check. Look at this. Look at that. If you don't like what is written on here, you can copy and come to Canva and edit this little text on here, and you can write the alt text as well. But of course, you can still download from Pexel anyways for free. This gets us to our last point, which is getting some beautiful content ideas and keywords for YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel or you're thinking about creating one, this is going to be amazing for you to come up with compelling titles. We're going to go into YouTube and find 10 most viewed videos in our niche, put it there. I want to tell ChatGPT to analyze all of them and give me a content idea or YouTube video title. So I wrote ChatGPT. This is not that much viewed. This is viewed a lot. So I'm going to grab this. This is one. This is not that much viewed. This is not that good. So what I want to look at actually is looking at the subscribers and the views. And I want to make sure the views are way more than subscribers. That actually shows me that this title is getting ton of views. As you can see, 4,000 subscribers, but 100K views. This is going to be big. How ChatGPT will change the world. All right, so this is going to give us a next big idea. Here are some title ideas based on the analyzed titles. How to use ChatGPT to improve your business, a comprehensive guide. ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI technology changing the marketing landscape. Understanding ChatGPT, a beginner's guide on OpenAI's language model. ChatGPT, the future of consumer service and engagement. The power of ChatGPT 5. As you can see, we got 10 different ones that we can literally grab one of them, and we know that these headlines are going to work because we made it analyze of previously done videos that got ton of views, which the views actually exceeded the number of subscribers. This is really critical. You can also take one of this video and write a video script, tons of facts and numerical data for YouTube. And now what it's going to do is create a YouTube script for us to, we can literally just read it and upload it on YouTube with some editing. Have you heard of ChatGPT? Bam. Now we're going to have a cut of a screenshot. So it is actually not only telling us what to say, it is also giving us the whole script. What do I mean by this? Cut a shot of a person using chatbot to order a pizza. So it is literally giving us the visuals as well, so we can use them in the video itself. So this is a really powerful tool. I've learned some of them just recently and I started using it in my business, and it is saving me a ton of time. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share with a friend who should know about these techniques. Take care. I love you guys.